Today I am reviewing iRobot Roomba Plus 504 Vac Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The iRobot Roomba Plus 504 is a remarkable addition to the modern smart home, especially for anyone who struggles with keeping floors spotless. This robot vacuum is not just another automated cleaner. It's a full-fledged, intelligent cleaning system designed for efficiency, precision, and hands-free operation. From carpets to hard floors, the Roomba 504 tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair with superior ease, and its performance is backed by cutting-edge technology that makes home cleaning nearly effortless. One of the standout features of this model is its PrecisionVision AI technology. Unlike standard robot vacuums that simply bump into obstacles, the Roomba 504 instantly recognizes and navigates around objects of all shapes and sizes, from furniture legs to cords, socks, and even pet waste. This ensures that your cleaning session is uninterrupted, preventing damage to both the vacuum and household items. The included sensors and advanced LiDAR mapping mean it won't take unexpected falls downstairs, and it intelligently plans the most efficient route across every room, making sure no corner is missed. When it comes to cleaning power, the Roomba 504 truly impresses. Its dual anti-tangle rubber brushes adjust automatically to maintain constant contact with all types of flooring, whether it's plush carpets, delicate rugs, or hardwood. Paired with the extreme power-lifting suction, this combination effectively lifts and removes embedded dirt, dust, and hair. For homes with pets, this is a game changer, as the vacuum is specifically designed to tackle stubborn pet hair and lingering odors, ensuring your space is not only clean but also fresh. The Roomba 504 also stands out with its Clearview Pro LiDAR navigation. This sophisticated mapping technology allows the robot to chart your entire home for complete coverage, whether cleaning during the day or night. It remembers the layout, optimizes its cleaning path, and avoids previously mapped obstacles. For larger homes, this feature ensures that every room gets attention without the need for supervision, making it a perfect fit for busy households. Another major convenience is the AutoEmpty Dock. The Roomba 504 can self-empty into its dock, which holds debris for up to 75 days. This means fewer interruptions and less frequent handling of dust and allergens, which is especially beneficial for allergy sufferers. The vacuum's advanced dirt detect technology identifies high-traffic areas or heavily soiled spots, automatically performing multiple passes to guarantee a thorough clean. You don't have to worry about missed spots or uneven cleaning. This robot has you covered. Control and customization are intuitive. The Roomba 504 pairs seamlessly with the Roomba Home app, letting you schedule cleanings, choose specific rooms or zones, select suction levels, and repeat passes in high-traffic areas. Integration with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant further simplifies operation, allowing voice commands to start, stop, or direct the vacuum to a specific room. Design-wise, the Roomba 504 is sleek and modern, blending seamlessly with any home decor. Despite its high-tech capabilities, it's compact and unobtrusive, with a low profile that allows it to clean under furniture that would otherwise require manual intervention. Its lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting performance, allowing up to 210 minutes of cleaning per charge, covering multiple rooms and floors without the need to recharge frequently. In summary, the iRobot Roomba Plus 504 Vac Robot Vacuum is a robust, intelligent, and highly efficient cleaning solution. From advanced AI navigation and self-emptying convenience to superior suction and anti-tangle brushes, it addresses almost every challenge faced by homeowners. Whether you have pets, kids, or a busy lifestyle, this vacuum reduces your cleaning workload dramatically, providing cleaner floors, fresher air, and more time for the things you love. For anyone looking to invest in a top-tier, hands-free cleaning solution, the Roomba 504 is undoubtedly worth considering.